We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can check the serial number of this ieGeek ZS-GQ2 security camera. So to start, you will need to launch the ieGeek Cam app, then find your camera, open its settings, and here tap at this section. And here's your SN or the SN of your camera. From here you can even copy it if necessary. You can also find the camera's serial number in other places, or you should be able to find it in other places, because I'm looking at my box packaging, the packaging this camera came in, and I cannot find the sticker that has its SN. That is very unusual, actually. Usually they do include those things into the packaging, but I mean my camera is used, it's not like new, so no wonder here. Or actually, yeah, if you look at the camera you'll find the SN here as well. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.